compassion, for example. If we don't have compassion in trying to create psychological safety, it won't feel genuine, and it won't build psychological safety as quickly as it might.
I think the character traits that help with speaking up are courage, and that usually would manifest with assertiveness, right? And then compassion, right? Being able to, if you're, a little bit hesitant to speak up, if your compassion for the other person, whether it's a fellow learner or a patient, helps you overcome that hesitancy, then, that's what's going to happen. That would be great.
I think that compassion is another very important character trait for establishing psychological safety, because of the fact that you just want to be able to think about making people the most comfortable you can.
It can be very hard to speak up about mistreatment or microaggressions. Students are always worried about the repercussions of speaking up. Will this affect my grade? Will this affect my ability to proceed in this specific specialty? And so I think students weigh a lot of different factors when they decide whether or not to speak up about something. And some of those things that they think about, we should take off the table by making it a safe space and acknowledging that they are really taking some risk when they speak up about things. So it's not as easy as it seems.
Other character trait is justice. If it's not just happening to you, but to somebody else, if you speak up for them, then you are doing justice to them or showing compassion.
Compassion's a big one. Compassion, I think we talked a little bit before about what are the threats to physician and what things promote physician burnout. And I think frustration around patient care and systems. And so the thinking of the patient and having compassion is really the main thing to combat that. When you're thinking about the system, it's one thing, but then you think about that individual patient and what they need from you and what you're able to help them or their family with, that having compassion for the patient and also valuing what you can add to their life, I think is really a big one for maintaining wellness and passion about your work.